name is basically your signboard for your online shop. For example, Tom's Bakery, but in this case it's going to be tomsbakery.com, you see. So first things first, we come to namecheap.com, www.namecheap.com. It's good because you can get really cheap domain names, about 10 USD for a year. Okay, so enter the domain name that you want to use for your business. For example, tomsbakingtips.com, and click search. Okay. So tomsbakingtips.com is available. So you can add this to the cart and purchase the domain name. Okay. So after you've done your purchase, the next thing you need to get is your web hosting. What is your web hosting? Well, basically your web hosting is the place where you keep your stock inventory. You keep all the files, videos, pictures, blog posts, everything on your host. So I'm here at dreamhost.com. This is the host I'm currently using. I like it because you can host as many domains as you want. So you can host as many domains you want if you register for an account, and it's not too pricey, and you can start multiple blogs and multiple websites on niches that you intend to go into next time. But okay, we need to sign up for a domain name, so we need to sign up for hosting now. So what happens is you go to hosting, click on web hosting, and then you can just sign up for any of these. This is the basic package. Okay, just click sign up now. You get all of this for just $8.95 per month. It's a pretty good deal since you can host as many sites as you want. Okay, so just fill in your email and password that you require. They'll give you a 2-week free trial to see if everything works out, and they'll only charge you after the 2 weeks is up. So you don't have to worry if you don't like this host. You can go look for other hosts, but I personally prefer DreamHost. It's been working very well for me. Okay, so the next thing you do is, now that you've got your Namecheap domain name and your host registered, let's see how we're going to set up our own WordPress blog. Okay, so I'm just going to log in here into my Namecheap account. Kayong. Okay, great. So now we're logged in inside your Namecheap account. Okay, so come here and click view to see the domain names that you've bought in your account. So I've got a number here. Okay, let's just click on this, for example, dateagentsecrets.com. Okay, one of my own niche sites. So okay, you can just you have all these normal contact details that you have to fill in. But how do you set up your WordPress blog? Okay, so now you have to go and transfer your DNS. Okay, this sounds a bit jargony, but that's all right. It's very simple, easy thing to do. Oh man. Okay, so first thing you must do is click on, let's see, domain name server setup. Okay, and then you click here on specify custom DNS servers. Mine's already set up, so all these are here. Notice this ns1.dreamhost.com and ns2.dreamhost.com. Your field will be empty, but you have to fill it in yourself. Where do you get this? Okay, you go back to your host and then you log in. Click on panel. To log in into your DreamHost account, it's panel.dreamhost.com. So I was already logged in just now. Okay, so what happens is I go to, if you're first time doing it, you need to add a domain name. So you would click here. Okay, the domain name to be host is tomsbakingtips.com. Okay, and then you just have to fill in these details briefly. Okay, and click fully host this domain. Now I'm not going to fully host this domain because I don't own this domain, but let's just have a look at Date Agent Secrets, which I've already hosted. Okay, under edit. Okay, so after you've done the thing at the adding a new domain, you'll be brought to a page like this. This is what it looks like after you fill in all your details. Okay, okay, so coming back to that NS domain thing, you just need to come down here, use DreamHost DNS servers, but host the site elsewhere. Okay, so what happens is all I have to do is copy and paste ns1.dreamhost.com and ns2.dreamhost.com. Paste it here respectively and save changes. And you're done. So after you've done that, to set up your WordPress blog, why I like dreamhost.com is because it can help you set up your WordPress blog on your website with a one-click install. It's so easy. Just go to Goodies, one-click installs. Taking a while to load. Okay, so one-click installs. Right, we're here. Okay, now the next thing you do is choose the type of one-click install you want to use for your website. In this case, it's the WordPress blog. Just click on WordPress and then simple installation. So for you, you just have to select your domain. In my case, mine would be dateasiansecrets.com. Okay, and this will be www. Okay, Date Asian Secrets, and this will be the email, your email, that will use for them to send their WordPress install information to your email. So you just have to type in your email in mysuperkai@gmail.com and click install for me now. After you click this, you'll be sent to a page with further instructions. But basically, your WordPress blog is already installed. Your login information will be sent to your email. And to log in into your WordPress blog, it normally takes a few 10 minutes or so to get it fully installed. You just have to wait for a while. But to log into your WordPress blog, all you have to do is go to, in my case, is www.dateasiansecrets.com stroke wp-admin. Enter. So you'd be brought to a page like this. If this is your first time, they will ask you to fill in basic information needed for your blog. Okay, Date Asian Secrets. Admin is my username, and you can just have to add in your password twice. Okay, enter your email. Always make sure this is allowed, because you want your site to be be able to be found on search engines. And click install WordPress. You're done. So now to log in, just click login. So every time you want to log into your blog, you just go to your website /wp-login.php and just enter your login information. Login. And you'll be brought to the blog.